Hi, Nafisa here, and today we are going to learn 3 fast techniques to become a better dancer. So, what does it take to become a better dancer? Can you become a dancer in a week, in a month, in 6 months, in a year? Is it possible to become a dancer that soon? Well, today I'm here to answer that question and give you 3 fast ways to become a better dancer. But first, I will tell you what you need to hear and not what you want to hear. You want to hear that you can become a dancer in a week or in a month. That's not possible. If I said that, that would be a lie. It takes years of practice. For a born dancer, it takes about 2 years. And for a non-dancer who has never danced, it takes about 5 years. So that's good because 5 years is pretty less. You can start now and in 5 years you'll become a good dancer. So how do we start? Where are the tricks that we can start and just get to it? The first thing that I have seen, people want to do it. People have it in their heart to do it. But they don't start. They just want it. It's like wanting an ice cream but not going to get it. So let's start. The first way of becoming a better dancer is to dance an hour every day. Now you can dance anything. The main thing is that you just have to move. You just have to move your body. So the first step is to turn on the music and just dance. Just dance whatever. Doesn't have to be a proper step, doesn't have to be clean, doesn't have to be something professional. Just dance, just move. Moving will help you get in the groove, moving will help you understand the music, understand your body, and will help you understand what you're doing, how you feel. Basically, you just have to jam to the music. Just like you go to a disco or a pub, just like we go to the parties with friends and we just dance in the club. Just dance. Just move a little bit, how much ever you can. And if you're alone, you can dance however you want. It doesn't matter. Just move. Every day, if you move for an hour, it will really help loosen the muscles and help you understand your body. And when your body is ready and you feel, okay, let's try that move that we learned in class, that's when you can try it out in front of the mirror and see how it looks or how it feels. And if you're not ready for the mirror, just do it just like that. And when you look in the mirror, you don't know what you're doing, just keep going. Don't stop. The second tip is to stretch and do your warm-up. This is a very important step which a lot of people skip. Stretching and warm-up is not as fun and will seem like pointless, but it helps a lot. A professional dancer always does their stretches and warm-up. Very, very important. Stretching and warm-ups help the body get ready for the dance moves that you're going to do. So if you want to move your hand in a particular way without stretching and warm-up, the body is not ready to move and you have to do it. The body will resist the movement if it's not ready to move. So just get up from the chair that you're sitting on and start the music and move. Move your body. Whatever it does, let it do. Look in the mirror and see if you like the move that you're doing. And if you don't like it, fix it. And if you don't know what to do, how to move or anything, you can always join a class or see YouTube videos that help you out. The main thing about joining a class, online or in-person class, is the instructor will tell you what kind of exercises or what warm-ups or stretches your body needs. Everybody's body is different. My body needs a lot of hip movements, but somebody else might need stretching of the chest or the head, or sometimes their body moves too much and a little stability is required. So that an instructor will tell you what to do. So joining a class is pretty beneficial, but if you don't want to join a class and you think that you can do it on your own, then you should look at YouTube videos. These are things that helped me when I started dancing, and that's why I'm sharing with you. That's it for today, and I will see you in the next video. Happy dancing!